My hair, let's get into it. Let's get into this right here because my hair. Oh guys, my hair looks so great. I'm not even gonna give you no quick old intro because this was just too perfect. Let's see.
Good weed, roll it up. Bad bitch, pulling up. She say, I'm not old enough. I'll give you good dick and advice. Give you good dick and advice. Yeah. Oh. Good weed, roll it up. Bad bitch, pulling up. She say, I'm not old enough. I'll give you good dick and advice. Give you good dick and advice. Tryna get with you. Tell me if it's possible. 4 years from 32, but I could do a lot for you. Just turned 21, young nigga doing things. See you making moves too. Try to move my way. We been going back and forth. She know that I want that, that's for certain. Promise you'll be back for more and more. Let me put you in a different way. You ain't gotta worry about my age. Good weed, roll it up. Bad bitch, pulling up. She say, I'm not old enough. I'll give you good dick and advice. Give you good dick and advice. Yeah. Oh. Good weed, roll it up. Bad bitch, pulling up. She say, I'm not old enough. I'll give you good dick and advice. Give you good dick and advice. Yeah. Oh. Maybe young, don't know why you trippin'. Know you wanna ride, know you wanna feel something different. Why you wanna front like I ain't got your attention? I tried to tell you, but you won't listen. Now who you calling for? Gave you what you need, now you can't ignore it. You're lit and it shows for sure. Now I got you in a different way. Age ain't really shit these days. Good weed, roll it up. Bad bitch, pulling up. She say, I'm not old enough. I'll give you good dick and advice. Give you good dick and advice. Oh. I'm just tryna get with you. Tell me if it's possible. 4 years from 32, but I could do a lot for you. Just turned 21, young nigga doing things. See you making moves too. Shawty wants you move my way.
Oh my gosh, it came out so good. That's my best friend. Say hi, Jenny.
Oh, don't she look so beautiful? Look at that smile. Look at that hair.
I know, it looks
so
really good,
gorgeous.
right?
Yes. Something new.